Welcome back. Quick and fast because I forgot people at work. I have 3 things that I need to unmold because I need to drop them off at the people at work. I lost another nail. Me and the gel nail something. The gelic something. No, I need to go back to acrylic. That's what it is. This is Gorgine. I love how this came out. So yes, that plan worked on that. Let's see how this one come out. Ooh, it's looking, yes, 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 perfect. All right, and one last thing, because I realized I didn't do any blue, purple, or brown hearts, so I just did all 3 in one. Here we go, bing, bang, boom. In the front and the bike, everything good. That looks crazy. But yeah, I'm obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed. This looks really pretty. I might want to keep this for myself. Anyways, so we got a heart, a card stand or phone holder, and a Palo Santo holder. Here we go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. And whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.